If you have some kind of thyroid disorder, it is certain that you may suffer from sexual dysfunction in future. So in this video, I will talk about the importance of thyroid hormone for a better sexual life and how this thyroid disorder causes sexual dysfunction. The video may be little longer. Watch the video till the end, because in this video I am going to give you the most important, most scientific information about the thyroid disorder and sexual function, and also how to cope up the situation for a better sexual outcome. Myself, Dr. T.N. Devnath, a doctor of modern medicine, motivational speaker and life coach. Thyroid disorder is very common among the both male and female, and both the condition hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism is very much linked with the sexual dysfunction. So in this video I will talk about first the female, and then we will talk about the male dysfunction. The female sexual dysfunction related to the thyroid disorder, the number one is the HSDD, hypoactive sexual desire disorder. That means that lady will have less sexual fantasy, with less sexual thoughts, with less desire, less orgasm, less satisfaction, and ultimately the lady will have distress and depression. And the second most important disease or important condition or important sexual dysfunction in female related to the hypothyroidism is called painful vaginal sex. We all know in hypothyroidism there is a decreased amount of estrogen, and estrogen is the most important hormone for the female, which is responsible for lubrication also. So once there is less amount of estrogen, so there will be less amount of lubrication, and that lady will suffer from painful vaginal sex. And in male, both this condition and hypo and hyperthyroidism is related to the male sexual disorder, and the number one male sexual disorder is erectile dysfunction. In an experiment, it has been seen 79% male, those who have thyroid disorder, will have erectile dysfunction. And number two important point is the ejaculatory dysfunction. If the patient has hypothyroidism, the patient may suffer from delayed ejaculation. If the patient has hyperthyroidism, so patient may suffer from premature ejaculation. So both this condition is very common. Remember, there are very many supplements are available in the market, but it is my sincere request, don't self-medicate. Take a professional advice to cope up the situation. So in the treatment, the most important is the stabilize your thyroid level. If you have hypothyroidism, make it normal. If you have hyperthyroidism, make it normal. Once your thyroid level is normal, then your automatically sexual dysfunction will comes down. And for painful vaginal sex, you can use artificial lubricating gel, and you can choose some position which give you more satisfaction or more comfortable for you. And for male, there is medication, but don't medicate it. The number two important coping strategy is talk with your partner. Once your partner is suffering from thyroid disorder as well as sexual dysfunction, the partner, that means either he or she suffer from mental stress. So it is very important, very essential to talk about this topic, so that the anxiety level, so the depression level comes down, so that he or she can cope up the situation very easily. And number three important is the healthy lifestyle, healthy diet is very important. A balanced diet is very important to maintain the thyroid level and also to maintain the sexual function. And yoga and meditation is the key for the success of this treatment. So do daily yoga and meditation, maintain your thyroid level, maintain your sexual life. Myself, Dr. T.N. Devnath, signing out until we meet again.